Welcome to SCH4U. Today we're going to talk a little bit about oxidation numbers and their calculation. Uh, Really, the math of this is pretty simple once you understand a couple of very easy rules. So let's start out with a pretty simple example. So if we want to calculate the oxidation numbers for the components in methane, all that we really need to do is to remember that hydrogen almost always gets an oxidation number of +1. The only exception to that is metal hydrides. Now, once we realize that, we have to recognize that the methane molecule has no charge on it. So our oxidation numbers will have to sum to 0. So what we get to is the contribution from hydrogen is 4 times +1. Remember, there are 4 hydrogens in methane. And then all we have to do is simply do the algebra to get the rest. So the oxidation number for carbon then is equal to 0 minus 4. Subtract 4 from both sides. So it's equal to -4. And it's really that simple. It's just simple algebra going through once we know a few rules. Let's talk about another rule. So we use manganese dioxide to illustrate this one. So you may be aware that oxygen almost always is assigned an oxidation number of -2. Again, this is an uncharged species, so the sum needs to be 0. There are 2 oxygens, 2 times -2, and then all we have to do is just calculate the oxidation number for manganese. So in this case, we have to add 4 to both sides. And so there we have it. The oxidation number for manganese in manganese dioxide is +4. Let's try a little bit of a tougher one. Okay, often people have trouble with dichromate. There's really not much reason for this once we recognize one simple thing. Whenever we have a charge on the species, our oxidation numbers won't sum to 0, they'll sum to the charge. So we know that in this case, we have to sum up to -2, the charge on this species. Oxygen once again gets a -2, but this time there are 7 oxygens. Oh, forgot my 2 in dichromate. Looks like it's giving me trouble too. Okay, so dichromate is Cr2O7 with a 2 negative charge on it. So in this case, then, we have to have 2 times that oxidation number plus 7 times -2 equals -2. So 2 times our oxidation number minus 14 equals -2. Add 14 to both sides. Two times our oxidation number equals 12. So we need to divide this by 2 to get the oxidation number. Anything we do to one side, we have to do to the other. The oxidation number is equal to +6. So in dichromate then, the oxidation number for chromium is +6. And there we have it. There's 3 examples illustrating the procedure for finding oxidation numbers in a molecule. Thank you for your time.